Hello guys, welcome to my channel Amazon GF. Today we will talk about the new OnePlus 8 Pro. Look at its designate Google Pixel 4 as well as it is too much slim. So, let's talk about its configuration. First of all, it has 6.78 inches, 1440 x 3120 pixels display resolution. For protection, it is covering with 6 Gorilla Glass. It has Android 10.0 version Oxygen OS. Chipset, Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865, 7nm+. CPU octa-core, 1x 2.84 GHz Cryo 585 and 3x 2.42 GHz Cryo 585 and 4x 1.8 GHz Cryo 585. GPU Adreno 650. It has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB and 156 ROM, and it has not SD card slot as external memory. It has main camera or back 48MP, f/1.8, 25mm, wide, triple camera with auto LED flash. It has selfie or front 16MP, wide, double camera. It has WLAN strong Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and strong GPS. You read its complete configuration. It has fingerprint and accelerometer, proximity, gyro compass sensor. It has long non-removable 4510 mAh battery with fast charging of 30W. And it is available in different color like glacial green, ultramarine blue, onyx black. And its price is about €400. I think is best mobile at €400 as well as when you will complete 1K view target, so then I will add this product link where you got up to 10% discount. And we will meet you in next video, so subscribe Amazon GF to get more video and discount, and if you like this video so please like and share my video. Goodbye.